Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about is the Bitcoin predictions for the 16th of April 2021. Without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Bitcoin to USD are traded at the same level of $63,026 and continues to move as part of the growth and the ascending channel. The capitalization of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency at the time of the publication of the forecast is $1,172,594,661,100. Moving averages indicate a short-term bullish trend for Bitcoin. Prices are bouncing off the area between the signal lines, which indicates pressure from buyers of digital gold and a potential continuation of the growth of the asset value from the current levels. As part of the cryptocurrency rate forecast for tomorrow, April 16, 2021, we should expect an attempt to develop a correction in the value of a digital asset and a test of the support level near 61,055 area. Where again should we expect a rebound and attempt to raise the Bitcoin rate with a target above the 70,255 area. Bitcoin forecast and analytics for April 16, 2021. An additional signal in favor of the growth of Bitcoin to USD quotes will be a test of the trend line on the relative strength index, the RSI. The second signal will be a rebound from the lower border of the ascending channel. Cancellation of the option to raise the rate and value of the Bitcoin will be a fall in the value of the asset, and the breakdown of the area of 58,855. This will indicate a breakdown of the support area and the continuation of the fall in Bitcoin rate with a potential target at 55,005. With the breakdown of the resistance area and closing of cryptocurrency quotes above the level of 65,405. Bitcoin forecast analytics suggests an attempt to test the support level near the 61,055 area, and further the cryptocurrency will continue to grow with a potential target at 70,255. An additional signal in favor of the Bitcoin rate growth will be a test of the support line on the relative strength index, the RSI. Cancellation of the cryptocurrency growth option will be a fall and a breakdown of the 58,855 area. This will indicate a continued decline with a potential target below the 55,005 area. So guys, there you have it. Those are the predictions for Bitcoin for April 16, 2021. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on, because we bring you the most accurate Bitcoin predictions out there. You can ask anyone, and you can even test it for yourself and come back and leave a comment down below. So guys, thank you so much for joining today. Have a great day. Cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out.